this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 72 C10. We got a nice day here this winter and taking some of them outside. So we were cruising 60 miles an hour. Bought this from the neighbor at our shop. He rebuilt the motor. I believe the tranny's been rebuilt. We did a little work to it, brake boosters, some rear brake cylinders, did some of that stuff. So pretty decent driving little truck. I buffed it and then I X-coated it, so gave it that shiny patina look. So really made it look pretty good. So good, cheap cruiser, you know, and anything you can buy around $10,000 in these 67 to 72s is pretty affordable. So if you're looking for just a kind of a cool driver, probably could use a little interior work. It's got a newer seat in it. Needs a dash pad, but otherwise not too bad of a truck. So any questions? 605-695-7391.